Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix your system is too outdated. Please install KB4534310 on your Roblox. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your Roblox and the error shows install KB4534310, then I will show you how to fix this issue. Guys, first of all you need to press Windows plus R key. Then type here %temp% and hit enter. In this, if you find any Roblox folder, you just need to delete that folder. After that, try the second method. Open your Google Chrome. You can see here top right side 3 dot, just click on that, click on settings, click on privacy and security, scroll down a little bit. In this you can see cookies and other site data, just click on this. Again you have to scroll down a little bit. In this you can see here see all site data permission, just click on this search box, then type here Roblox. After that, just click on this trash icon and click on clear. After doing this, once you have to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting your laptop or desktop, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix your Windows system is too outdated. Please install KB4534310 on your Roblox. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.